Hey bro, what are you doing in here? Man, you just got your underwear on. That's right. You know, I'm always ready. Well, there's ladies in here. You need to get dressed, man. Just want to talk to your lady a minute. No, we're not talking to my lady. Little princess, you want to talk to me? Not really. I think you really ought to go. What in the world? I don't know where he come from. Nobody needs to go back from where he came from. He does have a nice tush. His leg's not bad either. Oh my God, listen to us. Oh God. Oh, I can't even read my... I'm going to try to look at these designs, but, oh, man. If I have another drink, I won't think I already passed out, didn't I? Oh my God. I have to cover my eyes. This is ridiculous. Oh my God, what are you doing? I'm having some fun. Aren't we having fun, baby? Yeah, we are having fun, yeah. Well, I'm glad I brought my gun. This place is... They said it was kind of wild. But I don't know for sure. Man, oh man, oh man. Well, people just sitting here like there's nothing going on. This man's half nude in here. And then we got a lady with a whip. Oh my God. I thought this was supposed to be a nice place. Holy. That man's got some muscles. Man. I don't know how much he benches. He'll probably pick you up and throw you across the room. Was anybody going to do anything about this? I mean, look at him. I don't know. Oh, come on. Please, that's enough. Whew. Hey. That's some nice designs you got there. Thank you. Look at the design on his... You know what? Yeah, she sure is pretty. I can see why he wants to talk to her. I really think you ought to be leaving. You might want to go. Sir. You might want to go. What are you saying? I think you ought to go. Jesus, you don't have to have a gun. A girl has to protect herself. I didn't know that I was hurting anybody.